Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Friday condoled the death of 15 migrant workers from the state in a train accident in Maharashtra and announced a financial assistance of 5 lakh rupees each to their families. At least 15 migrant labourers from Madhya Pradesh, who were sleeping on rail tracks, were mowed down by a goods train near Karmad station in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra in the early hours of Friday. 2 other labourers were injured in the accident. I have spoken to Railway Minister Piyush Goyal and demanded a probe into the accident besides aid to their families, Chauhan said, and announced a compensation of 5 lakh rupees each to the families of the deceased labourers. A team of officials will be dispatched to Aurangabad to take care of the injured migrants and make necessary arrangements for their treatment, he said. I am also in touch with Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray to get updates about the treatment and other arrangements being made for them, he said. The migrant workers were walking along the rail tracks to reach Bhusawal from Jalna, 40 kilometers from Karmad, on way to their villages in Madhya Pradesh. They slept off on the tracks due to exhaustion, an official said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said he is extremely anguished by the news of the Aurangabad rail accident. In a tweet, Prime Minister Modi said, extremely anguished by the loss of lives due to the rail accident in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Have spoken to Railway Minister Shri Piyush Goyal and he is closely monitoring the situation. All possible assistance required is being provided. The Railway Ministry has now launched the Shramik special trains to ferry these stranded migrant labourers to get them home in the middle of this crisis. According to Railways, they left Jalna at 7 p.m. on Thursday and initially walked on road and later onto the track towards Aurangabad. After walking for about 36 kilometers, these workers started feeling tired and sat on the track between Karnad and Badanpur railway stations for taking some rest. They gradually went into deep sleep. It was at 5:22 a.m. that the approaching goods train ran over these labourers, the Railways Ministry said in a statement. The driver tried to stop the train but couldn't do so in time, it added. Amid the nationwide lockdown, thousands of migrant workers stranded in several other cities have been on an unending toil to return to their native places on foot. News Desk.